Hi, this is Zoe. Today I'm going to show you our Leader-13 automatic nonwoven box bag making machine with handle online. Here are the samples of box bags. So let's get started. This machine has 4 units. Let's start with feeding unit. This is automatic deviation correction device, which is used to detect the correct position of the nonwoven fabric. Next, we go to bag mouth folding. Fold bag mouth here and use the ultrasonic for bag mouth sealing. Each side have 1 ultrasonic. The second unit is soft handle sealing unit. Touchscreen. You can input parameter on the touchscreen to adjust the length of handle. To fold handle in half here, and this ultrasonic is used to seal the handle. As we can see, here is handle material feeding part. The finished handle is attached to the bag mouth by using ultrasonic. Next, we go to third part, host box forming unit. Here is online impression, which is controlled by these 2 indentation servo motors. Then the fabric is transported to the next part by traction roller. The traction roller is also controlled by servo motors, which is more easier for operation. Then cut the fabric into piece by cutter device. After that, the clamp would take the fabric forward. This main part is controlled by host servo motor. When the fabric comes here, the motor would fall down to fold the fabric into a bag. Then use the ultrasonic, which is controlled by ultrasonic power servo motor, to do backside sealing. Those 2 are pole bell servo motor. The whole machine adopts full servo motor control system. It makes us unique from other suppliers. It also makes operation more easier and more intelligent. There are 2 more button plug-in servo motors down here. Behind the machine, there are 2 more button support servo motors. Leader automatic nonwoven box bag making machine with handle online, which is newly researched and developed on 2013, which use nonwoven fabric and nonwoven laminate fabric as raw material. Leader can perform good with few labor costs but higher efficiency.